How to fix the error, something didn't go as planned, no need to worry, undoing changes. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your settings by clicking on Window and I button, and then click on Update and Security. Make sure you're on this Troubleshoot tab, click on Windows Update, and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. So the next method is to clear pending.xml file. So open your command prompt, click on the search icon and type cmd, and click on Run as Administrator. Go ahead and type this command. So this will rename pending.xml to pending.old. So the next method is to clear the bits queue. So go ahead and type this command and it will clear it. So if this doesn't work, click on Window and R, type msconfig and click on OK. Click on Services and then click on Hide all Microsoft services. So click on Disable all and then click on Apply and click on OK. And then restart your system in clean boot state. So this is how to fix the error, something didn't go as planned. No need to worry, undoing changes. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.